Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, it is an exponential equation and it is given if x raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 16 is equal to 7 raised to the power x to the power of 2 minus 16. Then, what will be the value of x? Dear friends, let us solve this question. It is going to be a very brief video. Also, do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share it with your friends. Alright, in solving the given question, we take from solution. The question that we are given is x to the power of x also to the power of 2 minus 16 is given to be equal to 7 raised to the power x to the power of 2 minus 16. First and foremost, I want you to observe that both sides of the equation has equal powers, okay? By the left, I have the power as x squared minus 16. And by the right hand side, the exponent, the power, is also x raised to the power 2 minus 16. Therefore, we know in indices that when the powers are the same, the basis becomes equal. What it means is that if I have a raised to the power 2 equal to b raised to the power 2, once the powers are equal, the basis will be equal. A now will be equal to b. So because of that, seeing that the power of the left hand side is equal to the power of the right hand side, we can conclude that the bases are equal, giving us our automatic answer, first answer, as the value of x. Okay? Without solving anything, we have just used a law in indices, an exponential law, to get the answer, and that is the first answer. Then there is another thing I want us to note. You see, also in indices, when any number or letter is raised to power 0, that number gives us 1. That is, if I have a raised to power 0, it will give me 1. If I have negative 5 raised to power 0, it will give me 1. If I have, let's say, capital letter A raised to power 0, it is still going to give me 1. So any number, any letter, negative number, positive number, raised to power 0, it is equal to 1. Therefore, if you can get by the left hand side, the power of the left hand side to be equal to 0, and also the power of the right hand side to be equal to 0, it means that the left will now result to 1, and the right hand side also will result to 1. And when both sides are equal, then that means that the equation is correct. Therefore, what can we do to make the power of the left to be equal to 0 and the power of the right to be equal to 0? Simply to equate the power to be equal to 0. And you can see the power of the left is equal to the power of right. So when we equate one of the powers equal to 0, then we have made the power of either the left or the right to be equal to 0. Therefore, we can now say that x raised to the power 2 minus 16 is equal to 0. Since x raised to the power 0, that is when the power is 0, x raised to the power 0 is 1. And here, the same value, 7 raised to the power 0 is still 1. Therefore, we solve this to get the next value of x. Alright, doing this is now going to be x squared equal to 16. Therefore, x alone is going to be plus or minus the square root of 16. And that will give us x equal to plus or minus 4. In conclusion to this video, as a brief one, you can see the values of x are 1. The first one is 7. The second value of x is minus 4. And the third value of x is 4. A quick one, check result. Check result. Let us see. From here, x raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 16 is it equal to 7 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 minus 16. Okay, let us take from the positive 4, alright? That means 4 here raised to the power 2 will give me 16. And 16 minus 16 is going to give me 0. Therefore, x raised to the power 0, okay, is equal to 1. Here also, the same thing. When here is 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. Therefore, 7 raised to the power 0 is still equal to 1. Therefore, that authenticates what we have found, that one of the values of x here is 4. Then, I want you to try replacing the value of x with negative 4 and then positive 7. And you see that both answers will be correct. Thank you. Share the video and subscribe to my channel. God bless you.